Hello there, Carstairs here. I'm back in the wagon today and I've got a couple of replacement parts and an upgrade to do. The first upgrade is going to be this panel here, and what I've bought from AliExpress is a new cup holder for the back. It's a bit of a poverty spec in the back here. All you get is just a cigarette or charging port, and that's about it. But if I get into this was about £50. I'll put the correct price on the screen. Right, okay, we've got cheap and nasty screwdrivers, power cable, and well, it even says Volvo in the bottom of it. This is not an official Volvo part, however, but it does have electricity in it, so we can get some lights. It lights up, in fact. Anyway, that's good. Fascia, get this open. Okay, that's good. Oh, USB ports, excellent. So now I need to get this panel off. As you can see, there should be a little mat there, but I've been using this Amazon Alexa Auto tool in there. So that panel's out now, and I've got a plug for a part which isn't fitted. It just sits in that little dock there, keeps it out of the way. That is for a panel, for a climate control panel, and other things which in some models goes on there. So this sits in there and uses these original screws that were in there, and I guess yeah, they give you this tool to be able to open it up. I do have a set standing by, but yeah, let's get that in. So this wiring loom, I believe, goes into the cigarette or the charging port cable. That one there. So it's a bit difficult to see, get the camera in there. It's simple enough. So this one goes into this charging port wiring loom of the car. Then this one goes onto the charging port, so you can still have that. Right, so let's get this in. We've got the fascia these two hook up. Ooh. Nice. Right, I can't get a facial.
Eventually.
Yes, no, maybe. Yes. Right. Wow. You can change the colour. So well, I do not mind that at all. That is really nice actually. You can see that that does light up. There's a ring round there that lights up, and of course the bottom lights up there. So the replacement parts I've got are two front illuminated door sills. Now when I got the car, these ones that are in it, can you see how they've all started to disintegrate? And that one's actually missing the end off it there. They all go like this. This was pretty much how it was when I bought the car. I don't know whether it's because people kick them or the plastic's just not that good, but any second-hand replacements that I've seen, they're all disintegrating like that. So I bit the bullet and bought some new ones. These, I saw them online on Volvo Carlisle's website, and they were about 130 quid for a pair of ones that were just standard Volvo, that just said Volvo on them. So I rang them up and I said, oh, can you get the R design ones? Oh yeah, we can, yeah. So he didn't say there was a price difference, he just ordered it for me. And then standard Volvo ones turned up. So I returned those. So I said, look, I want the R design ones. And the guy said, oh, yeah, no problem, we can do that. It's an additional £100. It's like, bloody hell. So it's super simple to fit them. Just pull this trim piece out, it's just got clips, and then undo 4 screws at the bottom. Just go in those holes there and plug it back in. So there's 6 screws to take out to get out the panel. So the new panels are in now. I think there is some protective plastic on that, but I'm not going to take it off. And what I have done is I've just left these panels just a bit loose, because I think part of the problem is that these have been tightened down, and then this whole panel flexes when people are getting in and out, and it's just cracked crack the surround on these. So I'll see how that goes. Hopefully that bit of movement will just stop it from moving with the trim piece. Anyway, going back in the car now. So these are back in now and they look a lot better. It's just a lot nicer when you're stepping into the car not to see these all broken. So the other bit I've got to replace is, there's nothing wrong with it actually, is the switch cluster there, but found on where else but AliExpress. This one, these nice little chrome bits on them. Again, not a genuine Volvo part, but get it in and see how it looks. So this just clips in. Just use a trim tool to remove it. Got the plug there. And need to change this module out. So this module is just clipped in there by these plastic clips, so I'll just get that changed. So I've got the old module out and just get this new one in. And plug it back in, see what happens. So it's in and seems to work.
Yeah, it's become
child lock and mirrors. Yeah, that's good. Okay, yeah, so it's just a bit nicer, isn't it, with that bit of chrome on it, I think. Yeah, good. So that's all I've got for you in this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Links to buy me a coffee are down in the description below. And thanks for watching.